Today we are talking about Milwaukee's M12 Rover compact pivoting floodlight. This retails for about $59. Put links in the description below on where you can get it. Some places actually are running a special right now where you can get the battery, an M12 battery, a 2.0, with this for free. So put links in the description below. You can check that out. You know, rummage around down there, see the best deal you can get for you. All right, so this is the M12 pivoting floodlight. It pivots 120 degrees. This offers 700 lumens of Milwaukee's TRUEVIEW lighting. With a 4.0 M12 battery, you'll get about 24 hours of lighting, which is amazing. This has two settings on it. It has a high, and then it also has a low, and then your typical off. On the back, you'll have your magnet, which is very strong. This magnet will stick to anything like metal surfaces that are like steel or junction boxes or anything like that. This also has a spot on the back so you can hook the light up with like a nail. So if you don't have anything that is magnetic, you can still hang this from somewhere. Now, the magnet itself is very strong. I was very surprised on this magnet about how strong it was. Usually, I'm not too impressed with some of the magnets that they put on this, but for some reason, I think it's the surface area of the magnet that it really sticks to the metal and stuff like that. So this shows you how much it sticks. It's really nice. You gotta really pull on it to get it to come off. It also does have a USB port on it so you can charge your USB devices. I think it's a 2.1 amp USB charger that you can plug your USB devices in here and it will charge it. Has a light indicator on the top so you can see how long of battery life you have. Like I said, 24 hours with a M12 4.0, which is amazing. So if you like this video, give it a like. Comment down below if you have any comments or questions. I'm Phillip. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and do so, and I will see you on the next one.